two boys on the family. And the other one is MZ. Hello! Hi guys, MZ. Look on our channel. Chapter 5. And then we're going to the Arakar.
Or Dukhan Beach?
I'm going to Dukhan Beach. This is my auntie Jana. And the first place is, hello guys. Welcome to our channel. And then, the desert vibes. And we're going to Irakal. And he was mistaken. Then he said, we're going to Dukhan Beach. And here's auntie Jana. Hello. And here's mommy. Hi. And here's daddy. Wait, I got to bring it to daddy. There, daddy. See? You can see it. Here. Jana. Hello. And see FinFin. And see daddy. I'm so hungry at the T-ball. It's actually hot. Today is hot. But it's hot and sunny. But after all, it's winter. Yes. Even though I'm just wearing slippers, I don't care about the wind because I have a hot bat. My batting shirt. Here, this is his bat shirt. It's so hot.
No.
I'm gonna be hot dog. I'm gonna be a roasted Jana. And he's gonna be a hot dog. It's so bright in the sun. Yabi's a hot dog. Yes, I'm a hot dog already because of the sun. Hot. More hot. Hot. Ah! No more! See those pineapple tree?
Pineapple tree?
No, I mean
Dates.
coconut tree. No, it's dates. Dates tree, are you sure? Yeah.
What is dates?
Dates. I think that we're almost there. Daddy, are we on the... there's another shirt panel. See?
Yeah.
One. Just 1 second. Here's 1 second. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. And 4 seconds. And 5 seconds. And 6 seconds. And 7 seconds. And 8 seconds. And 9 seconds. And 10 seconds. If a tunnel could be 10 seconds, it gonna take until tonight if it's 10 seconds. I got the joy. Hi guys.
We are in Dukhan Beach. Hi
Hello
guys.
guys, we're on Dukhan Beach. Now I got to go to the beach.
We are in the beach.
Ah, no! Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hello guys.
Yes.
Hello guys. I got the chair.
What's that, ate?
It's a shell. It's a small
Wow.
shell.
Yeah. Very cold. The wind is... Ate, sandal mo, te. What happened, MZ? Ze! What happened? Te, ang slippers ni Kuya. MZ, what happened? Na may sakyan to. Ano yun? Dili
Asa?
lagi yung sakyanan na.
Asa?
Kani, totoo. Wala may mga bana sakyanan ah. Dili oh. Palusot dito.
But he's gonna get down there. I don't want to look.
Tunok
But
ka dre.
he's gonna get down
nga.
there.
Ayaw na lang. Mga sakyanan agi oh.
Ayaw alang Someone just climbed on you.
Where are you going, ate?
I'm going to climb that mountain.
Okay, try. If you can. Slowly. Na kayo mag-sunset na. It's going to, the sun is going to set. The desert vibes adventure.
No, I'm Peterson.
Up Peterson. Come here, boy. What are you doing there? Let's go. So what you will tell about this?
I want to climb the mountain, but they don't let me.
Why?
They don't even want me to climb that mountain. They want
If you want to climb in the mountain, you have to use shoes, not a sandal like that. Oh no, you will be injured.
I want to climb the mountain.
Yes, but you don't have to do that in that kind of sandal. Oh no.
Hello guys, we're walking now going back home with my dad. Now we're just going to the car. I want to climb the mountain, ma'am. Climbing a mountain. Every time when I see a big mountain, like it makes me to climb the mountain. Like it makes me really excited. Once I climb the mountain, once I started to climb, I will never stop until I reach the top. Once I reach the top, I never want to go down sometimes. Yeah. And then if I reach the top, I'm not scared. Sometimes we go to a hole and then I cannot go to the top. If I can't go to the top, then I will cry. I want to climb the mountain. Every time when I see a mountain, a big one, especially a big one, I never stop climbing it unless I'm in the top. I'm in the top, like I keep on exploring some rocks. Every time when there's new places, and
So, oh no. So what happened? What happened here?
spike,
What happened
spike
there?
akong slippers.
Hmm?
Spike. That's not your slippers, that's MZ's. What are those?
From where that spike came from?
Where did that come from? Ground.
From where? Oh, let's go.
Ground. Okay.
Okay, boys
Ooh.
and girls. That's it for our adventure today.
Bye bye. Okay, wait, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.